Hi, it's Miss Gabby again. Are you ready for your phonics lesson? Okay, your phonics lesson today will talk about consonant digraphs. Now, what is a consonant digraph? It's a combination of two consonants and it produces a single new sound. For example, the letter C and H. When you combine them, it makes a new sound which is ch, ch. Can you repeat after me? Ch, ch. Now here are some examples of words with the CH sound or the sound ch. Okay, the first word is chips. Chips. Do you know what chips are? They're really yummy, crunchy and salty. And let's look at the next word. Chest. Chest. And the next word with the CH sound is chop. Chop. Now notice the words that I just showed you. The CH sound is in the beginning. Now let's look at words with the ending sound ch, C and H. This time it's at the end. For example, the word bench. Bench. A bench is something you can sit on. Or the next word is lunch. Lunch. Notice the ending sound is the CH, which is ch. So when you pronounce the word lunch, you can hear the ch sound in the end. And the last word I want to show you is bunch. Bunch. Now here's what I want you to do. At the end of the video, I will show you all the words that we just learned in this video, and I want you to write all the words in the notebook. When you have them down in your notebook, I want you to practice reading the words with your mom or with your dad at home. Okay, are you ready to write down the words? Get your notebook and your pencil. Are you done writing all the words? Good job! So that means this is the end of our phonics lesson for today. I will see you again next time. Bye!